Have you ever pondered about the role of ISRO's POEM-3 mission in achieving zero orbital debris? Allow me to elaborate. It's a groundbreaking venture by ISRO, primarily aiming at curtailing the volume of space garbage. In the grand scheme of global space exploration, this initiative carves out a unique niche. POEM-3, also known as the Polar Orbiting Earth Monitoring Satellite, linchpin of this endeavor. As the third in its sequential series, it explains the three in its name. Diving deeper, the mission of POEM-3, as explained in the MSN article, is to reduce space debris by implementing a system for deorbiting defunct satellites and spent rocket stages. This includes a mechanism that will pull the debris back to Earth, where it will burn upon re-entry. Apart from simply reducing the volume of space debris, it also focuses on limiting the spawning of new debris. The mission's nucleus is to mitigate the issue of space debris, a factor that has become significantly important to maintain the cleanliness. This mission is transformational, with its sights set on laying the foundations for sustainable space exploration. The number 3 specifies the mission's iteration, denoting that it's the third of its kind. The mission of POEM-3 is nothing short of extraordinary. This space apparatus orbits Earth's poles, hence its name. But it's not just a passive observer, it's an active orbital steward, diligently working to maintain a clean orbital path by minimizing space debris. This mission is more significant than it might seem at first, so let's break it down. Space debris, often referred to as space junk, is essentially the pollution of the cosmos. It consists of the leftover remains of outdated satellites, remnants of rocket stages, or fragments that were created from disintegration and collisions. Far from floating harmlessly, this space clutter poses a genuine risk to operational satellites and to the International Space Station. MSN article has highlighted that it's an escalating issue, one that commands attention and action. It's no exaggeration to say that the POEM-3 mission, in mitigating its orbital litter, plays a pivotal role in the broader scheme of making space safer for all. But here's where the significance of the POEM-3 mission becomes even more apparent. The MSN article details that the amount of space debris is increasing at an alarming rate with the growing number of satellite launches. This makes the role of POEM-3 even more critical. It's not just about keeping space clean today, the safety and sustainability of space travel for future generations. By reducing its orbital debris, the POEM-3 mission is not only making space safer in the present, but it is also safeguarding the future of space exploration. The POEM-3 mission is more than just an impressive stride in the direction of responsible and sustainable space exploration. As detailed in the MSN article, it represents a significant breakthrough technology and orbital management. POEM-3, with its unique passivation feature, has managed to establish a new standard for satellite missions. Passivation, a process wherein the satellite exhausts all onboard energy sources that could potentially lead to an explosion or fragmentation, ensures that the satellite leaves no negative footprint behind. This innovative approach not only safeguards the orbital path, but also significantly mitigates the increasing problem of space debris. By absolutely exhausting all potential energy sources post-mission, the chances of causing hazardous debris are substantially, thereby ensuring the cleanliness and safety of the space environment. Moreover, POEM-3, through its polar orbit, offers continuous monitoring and protection of our planet. But it doesn't stop there. The mission has also contributed to expanding our understanding of space exploration, emphasizing the importance of maintaining the cleanliness of the orbital path. In conclusion, the POEM-3 mission has set a benchmark in the field of sustainable space exploration. A combination of state-of-the-art technology and innovative processes, it has paved the way for future missions, enabling them to aim for a cleaner and safer space environment. This mission truly encapsulates the essence of responsible and conscientious exploration of the final frontier. In a universe that is infinite and ever-expanding, our corner must remain uncluttered. The POEM-3 mission stands as a testament to our commitment and responsibility. It's not just a mission, but a beacon of hope, illuminating the path towards a sustainable future in space exploration. As stated in the MSN article, the POEM-3 mission. The POEM-3 mission is a pioneering endeavor, demonstrating our ability to think ahead and preserve the cosmos. It is a step towards understanding how we can exist without causing harm to the space around us. The success of the POEM-3 mission is an affirmation of our capability, a promise of our potential, and a reminder of our duty as cosmic citizens. The universe is our home, and it is imperative that we keep